Hey, what's going on? Back to Joey's Life. So today on Joey's Life, we will be installing this vevor diesel heater. So first thing what we need to do is wrap the exhaust with a heat wrap. They call it exhaust wrap, like you can see. That's because when the exhaust is gonna go through the wall, we don't want to cause a house fire. So yeah. Today we're just gonna do our plan. Today we're gonna be installing it temporarily. We're not gonna be installing it we're just gonna be installing it temporarily. So what I mean by temporarily, what I mean by temporarily is that what we'll do, we'll open the big garage door, just a little bit, pass the exhaust under it, put a piece of wood under the door so it keeps the air from going out the door, because there's going to be a little crack. So we're going to put a 2x4 to hide, to just stop the air from inside the garage to go out, stop the cold air from outside from coming in. So yeah, it's just going to be temporarily, just to test it out. After we've tested it out and we see that it really works well and that it really heats up our garage, then we're going to install it fully. But that I won't film. So today I'm just going to film us putting the heat wrap, then doing the legs for it with 2x4s, then installing it, then putting the 2x4s under the door so it keeps the cold air from outside and stops it from coming inside. And I'll also do a test, we'll start it for the first time, see how it heats, and see how it performs. That's going to be the little test we'll do. Yeah. And then, if you ask, why don't you guys want to install it, fully install it? Well, first is because it's super cold in the garage. Second, we're still not sure where it's going to go. And third, well, yeah, we're still trying to figure out stuff. So, all right, I'll see you guys back in a few minutes. All right, so they say it's just moisten the wrap. If you want to see where it says it, right here, hint. Moisture in wrap and not soak in wrap in water.
It's just because when it gets, it's gonna start to
heat
and go in fire. You won't have time to get away.
50 feet, guys. $100.
Yeah, very expensive.
The Canadian Tire didn't have some, so we went to Benson Auto Parts. One of me and my dad's new favorite store.
Even the guy at Benson said, "Whoa, that's very expensive." No way, no kidding, buddy.
No, you work there, you should know the prices, man. Marche-tu? You've never done that before?
No.
Why is it twisting? Oh. There we go. It's working? Ouais, parce que là, on n'a pas de tie-up en métal. Pas grave. Quand on va la clamper après ma patente.
C'est dur, c'est même.
You're almost done. You're almost there. Je la tienne? Tes mains sont noires. L'arthrite. Là, attends, on va prendre une des petites lampes qu'il y en a avec. Alright, so now we're going to the garage. Let me get the mic out. It's hidden right now. So basically, we're going to take these 2x4s right there, and we're going to cut them at 24 inch. Reason why 24 inch is because those 2x4s are for the summer when we're going to make more pallet wood bench. So, and the legs are 24 inch on the pallet wood bench. So we're going to measure them to 24 inch and use the pieces that we cut off to do the legs for the machine. So, let me just... So 24 inch would be 2 feet. My calculations are precise. It's about 2 feet. Right here. That's 2 feet. 24 inch. 24 inch is 2 feet. 24 inch is 2 feet. God, man, those seem short, but okay.
Ah, attends. Ben, non, c'est juste pour les... Ça, c'est les pattes juste pour
les bancs.
Les armrests.
Ah, ok. Alright, ok. Ok.
Pour les bancs.
Ouais, je sais.
Je ne veux pas les gaspiller.
Alright.
Pas de lumière encore?
Ah, viens.
C'est où? On peut-tu l'enlever? Non? C'est des jambes? Non?
Non. Alright.
J'ai juste ouvert la canette, j'ai doigté.
Thank you. Hey. There we go. Now we're going to put it on the side. If I can put the clamps. La linge. I'm going to hold it 10 days.
Non.
Okay. Then ouais, ça va là.
C'est trop gros, ça. C'est pas capable. Rentrer même pas dans la craque.
La poussée.
On fait dans le train.
Fuck t'es cave.
Ben, il fait frais dans le train.
There we go. Okay, now we're going to put the other one. I'm going to put this at this end.
va aller chercher l'autre lampe.
Le muffler, puis pogne l'autre lampe aussi. Ben, l'affaire qu'on a rappé. Puis la lampe. All right. We're right back. Up would be,
Ben, mets le muffler.
ben, on va enlever cette lampe-là parce que cette lampe-là est pour mettre le muffler après.
Mais tu rentres le muffler dans le tuyau.
Ouais, dans le tuyau. Et il est plus petit que le tuyau. Il va dans le tuyau.
L'autre bout, c'est pourquoi?
Ça va juste dehors. I understand myself, okay?
Qu'est-ce que tu veux? Ok. Attention pas le perdre le linge.
Chaud as fuck.
Sinon, on peut pas le mettre. Avec un test qu'on fait. Ouais, si ça chauffe pas. On a pogné la bonne journée, vous savez. Parfois, tu l'éclaires comme il faut. Faut que tu l'éclaires avec le tournevis, ça peut bien t'en aller avec. Ça doit être des petites fucking clampes cheap.
What's the? Ça va dehors anyway. Yeah. You want to put gas?
Là-dessus, on va coller ça contre la porte.
Ouais.
Ok, bon, on va l'amener là-bas. Là, il va falloir déclencher la porte. Là. Elle va décliquer.
No, I can do it. I can do it with just the button. OK.
Mon deux pieds, t'as pas?
C'est ça, j'étais pour te dire, ton deux pieds, il est où? T'amènes ça. Bon. Non, faites pas.
Ah oui, t'es là. Tellement.
OK.
Descends ta porte un peu. Tu vas descendre. Je vais peser sur le dessus.
No.
Ready?
All right.
On starter.
Well, we're gonna put gas first in.
C'est parfait là. Je mets du gaz dedans.
Ouais. Diesel, il est là en avant.
Yes.
Oh, why do you always ring? All right.
So we're just gonna pour the diesel in there.
Yep.
We'll do it.
No, I'll do it.
Don't make a mess.
Just gotta watch for it.
Take out some gauge.
Ouais. That almost filled it up, actually. Oh, I love diesel.
No, let's do that. Let's do that. That's nothing.
Whew. I gotta get it ready. Control that. Yes, we're connecting it to a power pack. Don't say anything about it. We don't have a battery yet, okay? Let's see. Fait 7 degrés dans ton garage. 7 degrees in your garage. That's No, I think that's your glow plugs. Okay. Long press for 3 seconds. No. Oh. Ça, c'est ton power back, t'as dit?
120 volts.
On a un EO2 error. That a power pack could not really work. But it wasn't because the power pack wasn't strong enough. It was just because it wasn't charged, fully charged. So yeah. So then we stole power from my ATV battery. Poor battery. We're buying a battery tomorrow. So it's Friday, January 26th today. Tomorrow we're going to Canadian Tire to buy a battery for the heater and a trickle charger. Because to be able to heat up our garage like all the way up to like 23 degrees or 24 degrees Celsius, we have to let it run for like almost 8 hours, almost an entire day. And the most we've left it running was 5 hours in a very cold temperature, which was last weekend, and it brought up the garage to 11.5 degrees. That was last weekend when it was very, very cold outside. So, but now that it's a bit warmer, it's perfect. We'll be able to try it out. So, hope you guys enjoy, and let's keep going in this video. Mais j'essaie de trouver le error.
Ouais, c'est un signe avec un triangle avec un point d'exclamation.
C'est ça. Ton power pack est pas assez fort. Oh, reduce the power supply voltage. EO2. T'es trop high voltage ton affaire là. Je peux pas le baisser. So yeah, guys, it's blowing really, really, really warm air. I'm very impressed, actually. The smoke you see is from the smoke you see is from the heat tape. It's like not used to the heat, so it's smoking like that. So did you see how much gas there is in it?
No, I want to put a tape.
For?
Masking tape or whatever, so it will mark it down. I don't want to mark it with a marker. I just want to mark it with it. You know what I mean? No?
Yeah, but
No, there's no fucking tape.
if there is, it's frozen. All right, well, it's blowing a very warm air. I'm just excited to see what it's gonna do. It's actually freaking warm. Wow. God, this thing's warm. Let's see what we can do with this remote. Okay, so you see now the heat setting's at 5, and then if I press a little plus here, it goes up to 6, so that's the maximum. It's 4 degrees in the garage. I'm excited to see if it's going to change. Tu vois, là en ce moment dans le garage fait 4 là. J'ai hâte de voir si... Non, je sais. So yeah, guys, I know it's a bit smoky. It's because of the tape, like I said. It was 4 degrees in the... It was 4 degrees in the garage. It's now 5 degrees, apparently. That's what the little... Yeah, I mean, it's warm, but not to the point... Oh, yeah. If you touch it for too long, you'll burn yourself. Touche pas, tu le fais boucaner. Je viens de te donner le remote, tu l'as mis où? Il est là-bas. The heat, more hotter it gets in the garage, higher the Celsius temperature will get, and also higher will like blow. I'm excited to see if it goes down in diesel a lot. Alright, so this is the second day of us trying it out. Yesterday we tried it out for the first time. Worked awesome. It brought, so at first, when it first started, temperature in the garage was 5 degrees Celsius. When it first started yesterday, the temperature in the garage was 5 degrees Celsius, and it went up all the way to 12 degrees. So he heated up our garage yesterday all the way to 12 degrees. So it's pretty good. Now it's 1 degree in the garage, and it just started right now, and it's at the highest setting. Full of diesel. We'll come back in about an hour and I'll show you what it looks like. Right now it's not plugged like professional. We're boosting power from my ATV off to it. So to like, subscribe, and share the video with friends. And like I said earlier in the video, we're getting a battery tomorrow with a trickle charger for it, and then we're going to set it up fully, test it out correctly, bring the garage all the way to 24 degrees Celsius, and in a few weeks, maybe probably next week, I'll do a little YouTube short just to give my final and initial thought about it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next one. Peace out.